Big changes are on the horizon for the iPad Air, and this update could make it Apple's most appealing mid-range tablet yet. Reliable reports from Mark Gurman indicate that Apple is preparing to refresh the Air in early 2026, right alongside new MacBook models. The most important upgrade will be under the hood, the switch from the current M3 to the newer M4 chip, the same processor that powers the latest iPad Pro. This move keeps Apple's usual pattern intact, where the Air lags just one generation behind the Pro, but still offers impressive performance at a lower cost. The M4 itself delivers a meaningful jump in both efficiency and speed. On the iPad Pro, it comes in two variations. Models with 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes storage feature 6 efficiency cores, 3 performance cores, and a 10-core GPU. Higher-tier configurations with 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte storage unlock an additional performance core and also double the memory from 8 gigabytes to 16 gigabytes. For the iPad Air, expectations are clear. It will almost certainly use the lighter version, keeping 8 gigabytes of RAM and the 9-core CPU setup. While that may sound modest compared to the Pro, it is still more than powerful enough for multitasking, creative apps, and demanding tasks on iPad OS. Display rumors add another layer of intrigue. Several leaks suggest that the iPad Air may finally gain an OLED screen in 2026, making it the next Apple device to follow in the Pro's footsteps. However, analysts remain divided. Apple has historically delayed bringing premium display tech to its mid-tier devices. For example, OLED only reached the standard iPhone lineup years after it appeared on Pro models. If Apple does introduce OLED to the Air, it's unlikely to come with advanced features like ProMotion or tandem OLED panels, since those remain important differentiators for the Pro line. A standard OLED panel would still be a welcome upgrade, offering richer contrast and more vibrant colors than the current LED displays. When it comes to design, don't expect a radical change. The 11-inch and 13-inch options will continue, with the same body and form factor as the current models. Unlike the iPad Pro, which slimmed down in 2024, the Air will hold on to its familiar build. What users can expect instead are the subtle benefits of the M4's efficiency, such as improved battery life without needing to increase the physical size of the device. As for pricing, Apple is likely to hold steady. The 11-inch iPad Air should begin at $599, while the larger 13-inch version will remain at $799. Unless tariffs or external market pressures intervene, these price points are expected to stay the same. With an early 2026 release window in sight, the iPad Air is shaping up to offer the right mix of power, features, and affordability. For those who want a fast, reliable iPad without paying Pro prices, this next-gen Air may be the sweet spot.